Hello everyone, I am Lavanya Arnakumari working as Functional English and Life Skills Trainer. Today we are going to learn about reference. Referent. A referent is a person or thing to which a name, a linguistic expression or other symbol refers. For example, Sita Sami. Here, Sita is the referent which is the particular person. Pronoun reference, the antecedent. An antecedent is the noun to which a pronoun refers. A pronoun gains meaning only through its antecedent. Vague antecedents. When we use pronouns, be sure they refer to a specific noun and that the reference is clear. Pronoun usually refers to the closest preceding noun. Sometimes the relation is confusing. For example, Vasant told Jagadish he had a test on Friday. This is incorrect example because we don't know who has the test. Vasant told Jagadish, you have a test on Friday. This is correct example because here we know that Jagadish has the test. Here we can say that Jagadish is the particular person who is going to write the test. Next, missing antecedents. Sometimes we write pronouns that do not refer to any noun. This is called a missing antecedent. For example, Jagadish was an artist, but he never sold any of them. This is incorrect example because the pronoun them has no antecedents. Jagadish was an artist, but he never sold any of his paintings. This is correct example. Here we can see that Jagadish sold paintings. Here Jagadish is selling paintings. Painting is the particular antecedent. Special points to remember about pronoun reference. There are 3 points. First point, avoid using pronouns that are particularly vague. Example, it, they and you. It says on the label that this medicine has no side effects. This is the wrong one. Correct example, the bottle label states that this medicine has no side effects. In the above sentence, it is a pronoun and there is no particular referent, but in the below sentence, we can see the particular pronoun, the bottle label. The bottle label is the particular pronoun in this example. Second point, never shift from one pronoun form to another in the same sentence. Pronouns are classified as first person, second person or third person. For example, we have reached the point where one must make a decision. The first person pronoun we shifted to the third person pronoun one. Here we use the first person pronoun. This is the wrong example. Correct example, we have reached the point where we must make a decision. Here we have used we as the first person. Third point, avoid using the second person pronoun you in formal writing. For example, in this school, you can choose your instructors. Instead of you, we want to mention the particular person. In this school, students can choose your instructors. Here we are using particular pronoun students. Thank you.